Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Furnace Evolution in Clash Royale. If you want to unlock the Furnace Evolution in Clash Royale, here's how it works. First, you'll need to be at least King level 7, since evolutions only become available from that point onward. Once that's done, the key requirement is collecting Furnace Evolution Shards. These shards can be earned through several sources, such as past Royale rewards, special events, and challenges. You may also spot them in shop offers, sometimes free, sometimes costing gems or gold. So always check what's available. Once you've gathered enough shards, usually 6 for the furnace, head over to your furnace card in the deck collection. From there, simply tap on Evolve and your card will unlock its upgraded ability. And that's it. Your furnace is now evolved and ready to bring even more firepower to your battles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.